Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to add an upsell or complementary products to Shopify. This is easy. You need to find in the Shopify app store. You need to find this app called Shopify Search and Discovery. Once you have this app, you're going to install to your Shopify account, and then to customize this is really easy. The first thing we need to do is we need to find this tab called recommendations, and then we're gonna see all our products. Okay, we're gonna see all our products. To add a complementary product is really easy. For example, if you have this if you have your product, you're going to click, and then you're going to search for a product similar that complement this one right here. And it's really easy to search. You're going to click browser or click right here, and then type the product that you think that is the pairs with this one right here. As you can see, this app is pairs well with these other two products. It's really easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.